If you're getting error code 0xC0000005 on Windows 11, this usually means an access violation, but it's fixable. This error often appears when opening apps, games, or during software installation. The most common causes are corrupted system files, bad drivers, or antivirus conflicts. First, restart your PC. This clears temporary memory issues and should always be step 1. If the error comes back, right-click the app causing the issue and select Run as Administrator. Next, temporarily disable your antivirus and try opening the app again. Some antivirus programs block files by mistake and trigger this error. Now let's search repair system files. Open command prompt as administrator, type sfc/scanout and press enter, then wait for the scan to finish. If errors are found, Windows will fix them automatically. After that, update your graphics and chipset drivers from the official manufacturer's website. Outdated or broken drivers are a very common reason for this error. If the error happens with one specific program, uninstall it and reinstall the latest version. Make sure you install the correct version, 32-bit or 64-bit, matching your Windows system. You should also check Windows Update and install all pending updates. Keeping Windows updated fixes hidden bugs and security issues. After completing these steps, restart your PC one last time. These methods fix this error on Windows 11 for most users. If this helped you out, leave a like, subscribe for more Windows fixes, and I'll see you in the next video.